Welcome to English Story Journey. Today, we will talk about
Discipline change your life. Discipline is one of the most powerful qualities a person can develop, yet it is often misunderstood and underestimated. Many people associate discipline with strict rules or punishment, but in reality, discipline is the ability to control one's actions, thoughts, and behavior in order to achieve long-term goals. The statement, discipline will change your life, is not merely motivational. It reflects a deep truth about personal growth and success. Discipline is what bridges the gap between goals and achievement, between dreams and reality. In today's fast-paced world, distractions are everywhere. Social media, entertainment, and instant gratification constantly compete for our attention. Discipline helps individuals stay focused amid this chaos. When a person learns to prioritize responsibilities over temporary pleasures, life begins to gain direction. Discipline creates structure, and structure brings stability. A disciplined routine reduces confusion and stress because decisions are guided by purpose rather than impulse. As a result, individuals feel more in control of their time and energy. One of the most significant impacts of discipline is its role in building positive habits. Our daily habits shape our future, and discipline is the foundation of habit formation. Whether it is studying regularly, exercising, or managing time efficiently, disciplined actions repeated over time become automatic behaviors. Initially, discipline requires effort, but once habits are formed, success becomes easier to maintain. On the other hand, lack of discipline leads to procrastination and unhealthy routines, which slowly damage personal and professional life. Discipline plays a crucial role in academic and career success. Talent and intelligence may open doors, but discipline determines how far one goes. Students who practice discipline manage their schedules effectively, meet deadlines, and stay consistent in their studies. In professional life, disciplined individuals are reliable, punctual, and committed. Employers value such qualities because discipline reflects responsibility and integrity. Over time, disciplined work leads to skill development, confidence, and career growth. Beyond success, discipline has a strong influence on mental and emotional well-being. Self-discipline builds self-respect because individuals learn to trust themselves. Keeping promises to oneself strengthens confidence and reduces feelings of regret and self-blame. Discipline also helps regulate emotions. Instead of reacting emotionally to difficult situations, disciplined individuals respond thoughtfully. This emotional control improves relationships and creates inner peace, proving that discipline is not only about productivity, but also about personal balance. Financial discipline is another area where discipline can completely change life. Many financial struggles result from impulsive spending and lack of planning rather than low income. Discipline teaches people to budget, save, and plan for the future. Although saving money may require short-term sacrifice, it provides long-term security and freedom. Financial discipline reduces stress, prepares individuals for emergencies, and allows them to achieve important life goals. In this way, discipline transforms financial instability into independence. Physical health is also closely connected to discipline. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle requires consistency in exercise, diet, and rest. These efforts do not always show immediate results, which is why discipline is essential. Over time, disciplined health habits improve energy levels, strength, and overall well-being. Physical discipline also strengthens mental toughness, teaching individuals how to endure discomfort and stay committed even when motivation fades. Finally, discipline teaches resilience. Life is full of challenges and failures, but disciplined individuals do not quit easily. They understand that success is a gradual process and setbacks are part of growth. Discipline encourages patience and perseverance, allowing people to learn from mistakes rather than be defeated by them.
This mindset is essential for long-term personal development. In conclusion, discipline is a transformative force that affects every aspect of life. It builds habits, strengthens character, improves health, and leads to success and stability. While discipline may require effort and sacrifice, its rewards are lasting and meaningful. Discipline does not limit freedom. Instead, it creates it. By embracing discipline, individuals do not just change their lives, they take control of their future.